What's going on YouTube? Tony here, back with another video. This one's going to be a little different format of a video. I'm going to introduce like a first impressions type series, with the idea being I have a ton of samples. I have a shoebox just full of old samples. I used to have a subscription to Scentbird, so I have a bunch of samples from that, and really don't have anything to do with them. So I kind of want to introduce this discovery series where I go through those samples, smell them, give you my first impressions of them, maybe wear them for a day, and just give you feedback on what I think about those fragrances. And also, sometimes I blind buy fragrances. I know I'm not a huge fan of that, but I found this fragrance shop here locally that has a lot of old, hard to find stuff. So I ended up buying a couple of bottles from him. To kick this series off, I'm actually going to start one of those blind buy bottles from Jean Paul Gaultier, and it's Essence Parfum. And I'll give it a spray. And it has a similar DNA to Jean Paul, the original, that came out in the mid-90s. And it smells really nice. And my take on this is they took all the stuff that I didn't like about Jean Paul out and made it more wearable to me. The original was way too powdery. I think it was great for the time period. I think it was new, it was fresh, and everybody had it. And I was on that train. I bought it when it first came out, and I think it really got old fast for me personally, just because it wasn't my type of scent. This smells like that, but it seems like it's not as powdery. This is like a mix between maybe the original and Reflection Man. There's some softer, more wearable notes in that one, and I have to I'll look up the notes and put them here if you're interested in the note breakdown. But this seems more wearable. It seems like there's like maybe some coriander or something lighter in this, maybe a tinge bit of leather. So right off the top, it seems like maybe a spring, fall type fragrance. So we'll see how it progresses on my skin. Yeah, we'll see how that progresses on my skin throughout the day, and I'll let you know how that works out. Until next time, peace. And it smells really nice.